Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is King Sam, and I was going to my comment section the other day and I came across this comment that said I should recommend the best AI tools for graphic designer. I also do graphic design, and these are some of the tools I use constantly and regularly, and I would like to share it with you guys. So let's jump right into the video. So first of all, what's AI? I have this video on my channel right here that you can check out where I went over my thoughts on AI in the creative space, what AI is, and some AIs that are used in the creative space right now. So you can check it out. It's a very good video. But basically, a simplified version, AI is basically a tool that learns from its environment and just learns how to replicate tasks. So AI is not going to replace you as a creative right now at its current stage. It's actually a tool that is just going to help you iterate faster, make your designs better, and save you a lot of time doing menial tasks. That's right? That's right. Okay. Now, for some of the AI tools that graphic designers use, let's jump into the first one. And the first one I'm going to talk about is ChatGPT. Everybody pretty much knows ChatGPT by OpenAI. It pretty much started the whole AI boom and everything that we are seeing right now. And for graphic designers, ChatGPT is good for like generating content ideas, writing emails to companies, generating brand guidelines, analyzing design trends, and it does that in a fraction of the time that you'll be able to do it. But a problem I see a lot of people having is that they always complain that ChatGPT doesn't have real-time results, that maybe their result was gotten from 2013 or 2016 or 2017 because ChatGPT was actually trained on the backlog of data. But with a simple extension like Web ChatGPT, you can actually get real-time information from as far as this year, right now I'm talking to you, using that extension. But you should not treat ChatGPT like just an AI. You should treat it more like an assistant, because you need to be very precise with your prompts. And the more precise you have with your prompt, the better the results you are going to get. The next AI tool I'm going to talk about is Khroma. And Khroma basically is an AI color combination generator. Having good color combination can actually make or break your design. And having a tool like Khroma that can generate plenty color combination of your initial selections is very, very important to motion designers or graphic designers. Once you pick your initial selection of colors, it's going to tap into thousands of human-made color palettes and generate something that's not only pleasing to your eye, but is grounded in design principles and is very, very good, and it takes a fraction of your time. You can test the patterns out on typography, on gradient, and many more. And it's okay and it's amazing, especially when you are trying to think about what color should I use for this design at this moment. Next AI tool I'm going to talk about is Fontjoy. And Fontjoy is essential because fonts are fundamental to any design project. So Fontjoy just takes away the guesswork from choosing the right font combination, and it gives you fonts that are paired together based on their style, their weight, and their contrast. And it's really, really good at what it does. And it gives you all the control, so you can actually tweak the settings, the weight, and the style as much as you want to give you that perfect combination of fonts that only exist in your head.
However, I struggled with drawing tools. Enter AutoDraw. This is an intuitive AI-powered sketch assistant. Simply doodle anything and AutoDraw will guess what you have been trying to draw, offering suggestions to refine your sketch into a polished design. It's not just for beginners. Experienced designers can use it to quickly prototype ideas or create fun rough drafts before committing to a final design plan. Plus, it's completely free, so you can use it for your social media graphics, quick logos, or just use it for fun. For those of us that work with images, Let's Enhance is a lifesaver. It's an AI-driven tool that upscales low-resolution images, making them crisp, clear, without them losing quality. This is perfect for social media content, client presentation, and even print design. You can take an image from pixelated to polished in seconds, and you can upscale it to like 16 times its original size. Next thing I want to talk about is Remove BG. Background removal used to be one of the most painstaking tasks you could do, but now Remove BG makes it easier and makes it instant. Whether you're preparing images for e-commerce, creating marketing assets, or just making quick mock-ups, this is a lifesaver. It's faster than Photoshop Magic Wand or Pen tool, allowing you to focus on more creative aspects of your work instead of tedious editing and removing a person from a background. Now we're going to talk about AI-generated art and generative images. And this is a hot topic in the creative space because of the whole legal and moral values of using copyrighted work to generate new images. But if you have used AI art recently, you have to admit that it's very, very amazing when you use it. It is unique and it gives you like beauty in the work that will have also been created by you, but it will have taken you more and more time. So I'll tell you guys to play around generative images today because it's actually the future. No matter how much you try to fight it, that is where creativity is going right now. And finally, we're going to talk about Photoshop. Photoshop now presently is a powerhouse for AI tools. The neural filters like that upscales old photos, add color, enhances images, all with a single click. And I know when I said remove background, I know some people will be like, but Samuel, people can remove background straight from Photoshop. Yes, but sometimes it doesn't work. But the Photoshop background remover is also amazing. The generative fill in Photoshop is beautiful and it can give you some stunning work. I think the length at which AI has increased and improved Photoshop in the space of 2 years is crazy. AI tools are actually changing the game and improving our creative work here and there. Is sparking new and new aspects of our creativity. And if you want to know how AI is being used in the creative space, you can watch this video right here, or you can watch this video right here, and I'll see you in that video. So remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and dream endlessly. Love you guys.